How to create basket in Blender. First, go to Preferences, Add-ons, and enable Mesh Tissue. Now, scale the default cube by 6 along the x-axis. Move the object by 3 units along the y-axis. Go to Edit mode, press Ctrl-R, and change the number of cuts into 5. Select the second and third loop, press G, Z, and 1. Do the same in 5th and 6th loop, but type -1 instead. Set the pivot point into 3D cursor. Now select the mesh, press Shift-D to duplicate, R and Z to rotate along the Z-axis, and type 180. Now select the two meshes, duplicate and rotate 90 degrees. Scale down the object and add a cube. Delete the top face and add a subdivision surface modifier. Select Simple, set the level to 3, and apply. This is the fun part. Select the pattern, then Shift-select the cube. Press N to show the tissue tools, click Tessellate. Enable Merge and Smooth Shading, and click OK. Congratulations, you've just created a basket.